Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to use Notion AI. Utilize the boundless power of AI in any Notion page according to Notion. Utilize the boundless power of AI in any Notion page according to Notion. Write more quickly, think more boldly, and foster creativity. Let's break out what's actually happening because that's a little too hazy, in my opinion. You may now use Notion AI as your own personal assistant, which is, I'm going to let you see later on. From within the page itself, if you're looking on a project and need to conduct some research, consider asking for the answers inside your paper rather than having to conduct a Google search. Everything is here. Notion AI can answer it. Notion AI will provide you a summary of the most crucial information if you only type in a question or topic. This will save you a ton of time, especially if you're researching for a long time. So as you can see here, I'm about to open a new page and I'm going to use Notion AI. So I enter AI world as my topic, okay, as the title of my page. So you have options here like brainstorming, blog post, outline, see more, poem, summary, and so on. This time I will be starting with write a blog post about something. So suppose that you are thinking of running a YouTube channel, so you want to ask Notion AI the question about how to start a YouTube channel. So obviously and surprisingly, Notion AI has the answer for that. You have the introduction, of course, define your niche, plan your content, invest in quality equipment, and here is a conclusion. Now, another thing, write me a YouTube video script about how to start a YouTube channel. Suppose that you're about to make a video or create a video and you wanted to tell people about how to run or how to start a YouTube channel, step by step guide. So here it is. You can now simply copy this one, memorize this one, or read this one, and that's how simple it is. Now, another thing is that given that you are new to YouTube and you want to ask a Notion AI a question like this, give me a list of the most profitable YouTube niche ideas. Okay, of course, we all know that if you want to earn or if you want to start a YouTube, you're thinking about earning. So Notion AI has the answer for that. So here are the samples of top profitable topics or niche. Okay, so having these answers, you can also ask a Notion AI about how to start a or what should you prepare for creating or running a YouTube channel about travel or traveling, something like that. So prepare for travel channels. And Notion AI will give you the most perfect idea on how to start a travel channel. Okay, so define your niche, plan your content, invest in quality equipment, create your channel, optimize your videos, promote your channels, be authentic, and so on. You just have to read this. Okay, so so after having or after knowing these answers, you can also ask Notion AI a list of common tasks for YouTube channel. Okay, knowing that you have the idea about what niche, what is your focus, what is your channel all about, you can ask Notion AI about common tasks for running a YouTube channel. So we have here creating and uploading videos, editing videos, writing, optimizing video, managing, promoting, collaborating, analyzing, and so on. So you have the YouTube channel Name, idea, you have now the tasking. So what else do you need? Generate some questions. For example, questions for content and strategy. I ask for how often should new videos be uploaded? Here are the answers for that, and these answers can totally give you added information about your topic. Another thing is that if you want to know about audience engagement, if you want to have more ideas about audience engagement, I ask, are there any videos, topics, or formats that the audience particularly enjoys? Okay, so here is the answer. Okay, so for video production and quality, I also asked Notion AI about the question, what equipment and software are needed to improve video quality? Okay, so, and Notion AI answered me with this, which is totally amazing. And also, I asked Notion AI about channel growth and promotion, which is very important. So I asked Notion AI, um, how can the channel effectively promote new videos on social media or other platforms? Something like that. And Notion AI provided the answer for that. Also, I asked Notion AI if we can discuss about monetization and revenue generation, what can be the best idea for brainstorming. So, uh, also, Notion AI gave us the answer for that. Okay, and the last question or topic that I want Notion AI to give me an answer is, of course, the SEO and video optimization. So I asked Notion AI about, are there opportunities to create content around trending or popular topics? And here are the answers. Another thing is that Notion AI is good also for brainstorming ideas. So I asked Notion AI some topics for are good for brainstorming ideas, such as the first one here. I asked about educational tutorials, which is also related to YouTube channel. Okay. And also Notion AI gave me these words and topics here that I can discuss with my team. For vlogging, these are the topics that Notion AI wants me to open up to my team or wants us to discuss with my team. And last is brainstorming ideas about motivation and personal development. It's like sharing motivational speeches and ideas so that whenever we encounter something, failure or disappointment with our channel, then we know each other's weaknesses and strength already. I'm talking about my team. Okay, so that's how amazing Notion AI is. Okay, so aside from generating questions, brainstorming, and other things here, Notion AI also can translate languages. Okay, like English, Chinese, Japanese, Spanish, and so on. Okay, all you have to do is just simply ask Notion AI to translate this. For example, translate this into Spanish. You can copy paste, or you can just simply let the words above translated into Spanish. Okay, so that's it. So as you can see, Notion AI translated everything above. Okay, also you can ask this to translate into Chinese and so on. Apart from translation, also Notion AI can make everything longer or can make everything shorter. Okay, so all you have to do is to tap space and then click this make longer, and it will make all the discussions here longer, all the scripts, everything here. Or if you want to make it shorter, Notion AI also can make everything shorter. Also, if you want to ask Notion AI to summarize everything, Notion AI can summarize everything here. So you just have to tap or choose whatever topics below, or let's just say prompts below, that you want Notion AI to follow. Okay, so Notion AI can be useful if you're having trouble coming up with ideas for blog posts or social media material, like what I have mentioned earlier, or what I did earlier. Okay, YouTube channel, how to run a YouTube channel. You may use Notion AI to generate a list of ideas for your content by simply typing in a question like how to use Notion for project management, how to run a YouTube channel, and so on. For content makers, this is fantastic tool because it makes it simpler and quicker to generate ideas. So I do really hope that my video helped you. Also, one of the earliest project management companies to implement artificial intelligence or AI in its software is, of course, Notion. Although it's quite simple to use, not everyone is aware of its full potential. So that's the reason why I showed you earlier how powerful, how great, and amazing Notion is. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.